of Tanashahi, just because your name is Shah, doesn't mean you are able to do that on the rest of the country.
On the working of the Ministry of Home Affairs, Sri Saket Gokhale to raise the discussion on the working of the Ministry of Home Affairs. Sri Saket Gokhale.
So most of the questions of the Ministries of Education, Railway and Health went unanswered. The Honorable Railway Minister even tried to pass a non-existent railway budget during his speech, but that's okay, sir. I'm glad that at least the discussions happened, and they happened very smoothly. So today we are discussing the Union Home Ministry in the Council of States. It's a very big deal, sir, because law and order is a state subject. It is not meant to be controlled by the Union government. So the role of the Home Ministry is confined to internal security, control of India's borders, and disaster management. The role of the Union Ministry, Home Ministry, is not to interfere with the law and order machinery of the state. So sadly, in the last 11 years, the Union Home Ministry has erased the distinction between the Government of India and the Republic of India. So India is a union of states, all of which together constitute the Republic. However, sir, the Home Ministry today feels that the Union government is the sole representative of the Republic and the states don't mean anything. So the Home Ministry today has become a force for battling against states and for any person who tries to disagree with the Union government. So the Home Ministry is like a zamindar today, which treats states like its personal fiefdom, and anybody who opposes the government is treated as an enemy of the nation. So certain small states sometimes are not able to stand up to this. But I'll promise you, sir, powerful states like West Bengal will always fight against this zamindari mentality. Sir, I'll give a little bit of background about how this Home Ministry functions and what's the problem, sir, particularly with respect to my state of West Bengal. Sir, in 2021, the Union Home Ministry passed a notification disregarding Parliament completely. The jurisdiction of the BSF, sir, on India's internal borders used to be about 15 kilometers. Sir, with this notification, they enhanced the jurisdiction from 15 to 50 kilometers. ठीक है. They did this in the opposition ruled states of West Bengal and Punjab. You increase the jurisdiction from 15 to 50 kilometers in Punjab, West Bengal. In Gujarat, on the other hand, sir, which is BJP ruled, the jurisdiction of the BSF was reduced from 80 kilometers to 50 kilometers. Inside the borders is the job of the state police, sir. But again, infringing on the rights of states, you've given that power to the BSF to control it. So my state, West Bengal, is unique, sir. We have the longest international border of any state in India. We also share our border with 3 countries, sir: Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. Anything that happens in these areas, sir, we are also gateway to the northeast. Any geopolitical tension has a direct bearing on us. You would expect that the Union Home Ministry would want to work together with the state, give the state its dues. So there is some data which I want to present here, which just shows how Bengal is being treated, sir. Sir, in 2011-12, under the then UPA government, sir, Bengal received 44 crores under the Central Modernization Fund. 2011-12. 10 years later, 2021-22, how much did Bengal get? 0 rupees. So 2013-14, Bengal got 59 crores. 10 years later, 23-24, 0 rupees. So between 2020 to 2024, in 4 years, we should have gotten 160 crores, sir, by previous estimates. In these 4 years, we did not get a single rupee from the Union government. So today, West Bengal has pending dues of 386 crores from the Union Home Ministry. Sir, forget borders, forget internal security. Sir, safety of women. I'm sure that the Honorable Home Minister are also concerned about that. So the West Bengal Assembly unanimously passed the Aparajita bill for the safety of women. That bill has made its way to the President, who will only assent to it based on the advice of the Council of Ministers, the Union Home Ministry. That bill is still stuck, sir. Repeatedly we've requested, unanimously passed by all parties, but no approval has been given, sir. So I'll now come to my favorite bit, sir, because I've had a little bit of experience with this. The central agencies, sir. These central agencies, sure, under previous governments, the Supreme Court has said that, they're a caged parrot, etc., etc. But the BJP claims to be a party with a difference. So we thought things would change. Nothing has changed in the last 11 years. For the benefit of the honorable members, sir, I'm going to now read out the glorious record of the CBI, sir. So over 6,900.
One second. Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर, मुझे लगता है आपने गृह विभाग की चर्चा के लिए इनिशिएट करने के लिए किया है। शायद उनको मालूम नहीं है माननीय सदस्य जी को कि सीबीआई और बाकी सारी एजेंसियों के नाम जो वो बोलना चाहते होंगे एक भी गृह विभाग में नहीं है। ये क्या मीमांसा कर रहे हैं? उनको सिर्फ गृह विभाग की बारे में चर्चा करना चाहिए। मेरा एक टेक्निकल ऑब्जेक्शन, अगर आप एरिया वाइड करना चाहते हो तो फिर मुझे भी करने दीजिएगा, जवाब देने में हर चीज का जवाब दिया जाए।
ऑनरेबल मेंबर।
सर, मंत्री जी सवाल से पहले इतना डर गए, आगे क्या होगा मुझे पता नहीं।
No.
I did not even refer to the CBI. Anyway, sir, उनको बढ़ाना है तो स्कोप बढ़ा दीजिए. He is free to do that.
Saket.
Sir, over 6,900 cases
Mr.
of
Gokhale,
corruption
please continue.
have been registered by the CBI, sir. So over 6,900 cases of corruption, a pending trial, cases registered by the CBI. So over 361 corruption cases have been pending since more than 20 years. I'm not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. I am not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. He needs to learn to listen. I'm not going to yield. I refuse to yield, sir.
1 second.
Under the rules, I am allowed to refuse to yield.
second.
I'm not going to refuse. I'm not going to yield to him, sir.
1 second.
He can wait for.
Mr. Gokhale, listen to the chair, please. When there is a jurisdictional issue, Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर,
Honorable Home Minister.
इन्होंने इंटरप्रिटेशन किया, डर गए। मैं किसी की कृपा से यहाँ नहीं आया हूँ भाई साहब। मैं 7 बार चुनाव जीत कर आया हूँ। एक आइडियोलॉजी का विरोध कर कर यहाँ नहीं घुस गया हूँ मैं। डरने का क्वेश्चन डज नॉट अराइज। मान्यवर, ये जो जिक्र कर रहे हैं, इस सदन को गलत तरीके की इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही है, इसलिए मैं स्पष्टता करने के लिए नंबर ऑफ केस जो वो सीबीआई के कह रहे हैं वो माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के और माननीय हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से चुनावी हिंसा के लिए रजिस्टर किए गए केस है। जो चुनावी हिंसा बंगाल में हुई, ये सारे करप्शन के केस नहीं है मान्यवर। चीर कर रखे। और चुनावी हिंसा किस प्रकार की? चुनाव में हमारी सीटें ज्यादा आ गई, चुन कर जहां हमारा बहुमत था वो बूथों में हत्या की दी गई, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार किए गए। जब पीड़ित लोग, कोई एक्शन नहीं, कोई अरेस्ट नहीं, पीड़ित लोग जब पहुंचे हाई कोर्ट में, हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से सीबीआई को जांच दिया गया है मान्यवर, हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से दिया गया है। ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे, हाई कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे। जमींदारी कौन कर रहा है वो अब पूरा देश देखेगा। आप हाई कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानते हो। ये सारे सीबीआई के जो केस है मान्यवर, हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से रजिस्टर्ड किए गए हैं और ये कह रहे हैं इनमें परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है। मैं इसलिए परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है, एक भी सीबीआई स्पेशल कोर्ट आज बंगाल में नहीं है, एक भी नहीं बनाई है।
Honorable member. And I'll appeal to the members.
All these things can happen in the reply,
Keep this in
sir.
mind and continue.
All this can happen in the reply.
Please.
ठीक है sir, I'm going to skip CBI and ED. I just want to make one thing clear,
No,
sir.
you made a wrong observation about Darge.
I'm skipping it.
No,
Sir,
continue.
sir, मेहनत से हम भी आए हैं, वो भी साबरमती जेल में रहे, हम भी साबरमती जेल में रहे। On इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो तो आता है सर, होम मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर। This is not fair at all. This is not fair at all.
You need to withdraw.
This is absolutely not fair, sir. No, this is my time. So then I want a full 12 minutes once all over again.
No.
They can say their part.
One second.
According to the parliamentary practices, he should apologize or it should be expunged.
You know what?
Apologize for
Sir,
what?
no way. No.
For what?
For what?
For making a submission.
For what?
Just say something.
Ridiculous.
We will not apologize.
I'm never apologizing to you.
माफी मांगे सर,
Honorable members,
सर क्या आप हमें चर्चा नहीं करने देंगे सर? सर ये लोग कितना अनाप शनाप बोलते हैं, हमने कभी बोला है क्या?
would you take your seat now? Take your seat.
ये बीजेपी वाले कितना
Take
कुछ
your
बोलते हैं
seat.
डिबेट के टाइम
Take
पे,
your
कब
seat.
किसी को नहीं रोका जाता?
Take it. Honorable members, one second. Honorable members, please, take your seat. What's wrong with you? Your leader of the house has spoken. Honorable members, for last few days, we have had good healthy discussion. There may be different points of view, and I would strongly urge the honorable member that using that expression which is subjective, judgmental, your dignity will not go down, you need to withdraw. I would delete it. No. One second. If any member of the house says that the other member dar gaya hai, is something which can neither be overlooked nor countenanced. Each member of the house, in his own right, has his dignity. I will look into everything, but it will increase your stature. It will make healthy debate. You need to withdraw that observation. The observation has been imparted with respect to India's Home Minister. This doesn't give good signal. No. No one interrupted. I allowed. So I would urge you. Otherwise, there are ways in which we deal with situations, deletion of it or otherwise. And I think he is saying a good suggestion. You need to withdraw that. Personal observations of any nature need to be avoided. I am totally opposed, and I am so happy the debate has been very nice in recent days. We have a Home Minister who has been here right from the beginning, and if there have been interventions, the intervention was jurisdictional. That one second. I think members will speak only after I conclude. So I would urge Saket Gokhale, since the objection is legitimate by leader of the house, it does not find approval of the chair. I do not want a promising member to derail himself, and therefore the personal observation withdraw. Saket. So I stand by what I said,
Sir?
but I would appreciate you will withdraw.
I greatly respect you, sir. I'm Mamta Banerjee's soldier. BJP wale withdraw karenge, hum nahi karenge. Let me now come
The observation
to the NIA
is
and that's your call, sir.
One
That's your
second.
call. I won't withdraw.
The observation is deleted.
Fair, sir. That's your call. I'm not
And it
withdrawing.
is deleted because I find it not only unparliamentary, not only I find it unjustified, I find it is not well motivated. Please go ahead. Continue.
I've lost some of my time, sir, but that's
I'll add up the time. You can expect the chair to be fair. I'll add up the time. 2 minutes I'll add.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, in 2013, sir, a former director of the Intelligence Bureau, this is 2013, under the previous government, he said that structural changes to the IB, the Intelligence Bureau, have not happened since the 1980s. And at that time, he called for urgent legislative and structural changes to the functioning of the Intelligence Bureau to make it more independent. This was 2013, sir. So that former director of Intelligence Bureau in 2014, Mr. Ajit Doval, became India's National Security Advisor. He's been in that position, sir, for the last 11 years. These legislative and structural changes that he wanted in 2013, we have not seen those happen in the last 11 years, sir. So the NIA, originally envisaged as an anti-terror agency, so the NIA is busy now running its agendas in different states, locking up Indians for supposedly plotting against the Modi government. An 83-year-old man, sir, a tribal welfare worker and a priest, Father Stan Swami. We know how he died in prison. We know the story of being denied a straw. This is what the NIA does, sir, today.
Shame.
So also the NIA is used, a very concerning issue which pertains to a lot of members in the House on all sides, sir. So in 2021, there were independent investigations that raised allegations that the union government, on over phones of about 300 people, including opposition leaders, judges, politicians, ministers, activists, journalists, it was alleged that the union government had planted an Israeli software called Pegasus for surveillance. My leader, Abhishek Banerjee, was one of those leaders, sir. So in 2022, the matter reached the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court set up a technical committee to examine these allegations. So there is something very interesting that the committee told the Supreme Court. It said that through this entire investigation, the union government refused to cooperate with the committee. If Pegasus was used legally, they shouldn't have there's no harm in admitting it. If it was used illegally, then maybe that's the reason you're hiding it. Otherwise, there's no reason to hide it from the Supreme Court committee. Anyway, sir, surveillance happens, agencies are used. I want to come to a subject which rocked this country about 4 or 5 years ago. The CAA and the NRC, sir. So the Honorable Home Minister might remember, he had made a very famous speech at that point, before the bill was introduced in Parliament. He had said, आप chronology समझिए. पहले Citizen Amendment Bill आएगा, फिर NRC लागू होगा, सिर्फ बंगाल में नहीं, पूरे देश में NRC लागू होगा. And then he came to Bengal and said, illegal people will be thrown like termites into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, ठीक है. This caused so much concern, sir, in India, that his own Prime Minister, a few weeks later at Ramlila Maidan, completely contradicted what he said and said, nahi, there is no plan to bring a nationwide NRC. Anyway, Lok Sabha election ke time speech diya tha. Eventually, January 2020, the Citizen Amendment Bill was notified. The act was brought in, the CA was brought in. It did not help them in the 2021 West Bengal Legislative Assembly elections. So what did they do, sir? Till last year, 24. For 4 years, sir, the bill was not notified. The rules of the bill were not issued. Now, if the Honorable Minister, before bringing the bill, had read the report of the Joint Parliamentary Committee, sir, he would have found that the JPCR said that the CA would benefit only 30,000 people. The Home Minister had claimed lakhs of refugees will benefit. Sir, as of date, what is the reality? Only 350 people have been given citizenship under the CAA. Sir, no discussion on the Home Ministry cannot be complete without making a reference to Manipur, sir. A debate on Manipur has happened in this House. Sir, my only thing is, Manipur needed a healing touch. With whatever has happened in Manipur under the watch of the Honorable Home Minister, I really don't know, sir, how he manages to sleep peacefully in the night. Sir, in summation, I just want to say something very clear. No, this is purely very, very parliamentary, sir. I could have said something else, but I'm not. Sir, very simply speaking, sir, the Union Home Ministry is meant to be Union Ministry of Home Affairs. It doesn't mean a ministry of ghar se chala. Home doesn't mean ghar. There is a term in Hindi, sir, called Tana Shahi. Tana, dictatorial, acerbic, Shah, emperor. What I would like to say, sir, is that this sort of Tana Shahi, just because your name is Shah, doesn't mean you are able to do that on the rest of the country and target states the way you are doing. And in my parting conclusion, I don't need any extra time, sir. I just have one parting note to say. My conclusion, sir, if I'll be allowed to. My conclusion, sir, is...
One second. Saket, one second. Saket, one second. I'll give one second. Your observation is against a caste